Alright, today is the 8th of December 2020. It's 16:14 local time. This is Australian dollar on a 1 hour chart trading around 0.74133. What will happen here is the price will go down because, as it's not difficult to see, the dumb money is trying to buy a breakout to the upside, those green bars here and here. So the smart money algos will push the price down against them, going for the stops down here. The blue lines are the short-term stops of the dumb money longies. The orange lines are the medium-term stops of the dumb money longies. So this is a short trade setup. I will try to capture the price action here for some minutes. Of course, this can take some time. It doesn't need to come within the next minute. Let's see. Alright, so as expected, the price is coming down. That seems to be a good prediction. The price is close to the first short-term stop accumulation. That's why you have to be careful in Forex to, whenever you use tight stops, most likely you will get stop hunted. Not only by the cartel of the price makers, but also by the retail brokers. I've explained that in another video, I think. And of course there can be pullbacks after the respective targets have been taken. You know, it's rare that, for example, they just boom take all the stops in one go in one price bar. Normally, for example, if there's an unscheduled comment, they would do that, but otherwise it would be a bit too obvious. So yeah, they are smart. We call them smart money for a reason. There we go, 0.74. There we go, they start nibbling. Boom, it turns yellow as it should. Took out the first one, but they're more below the price. There we go. That's how the story continues. I love doing this work, but I have to admit, ladies and gentlemen, sometimes I feel a bit that I'm a bit ahead of my time, because by now it's 2020, end of it, and I'm doing this for a few years already, and of course there's a nice little community following this, but I believe the majority of forex traders have still not gotten the message. And I think I once did a video about this at the beginning. I showed the different consciousness levels. On the lowest level, there's people who don't even understand that the market is completely manipulated. And then on higher levels, there are people who understand it, but that's where it ends. They don't dig deeper. Otherwise, I would find all this here. These are golden nuggets. There's nothing else on this world. No other channel which shows you the stuff I'm showing here. I'm not saying this to boost my ego or anything. I'm just saying that to make everyone a bit more aware. And by now it should be clear with all these videos. I mean, I've done so many live trade videos, live stop runs, explanation videos. I've done so much work, really, as the people know who have followed this from the beginning. So you should really understand the message. You should understand that this market is completely rigged. You should understand that you are placed at a substantial disadvantage right from the beginning. It's not random. Your chances are not 50-50, okay, not even close. Because if you incorporate all the other realities in this industry, such as the broker manipulation or, other technical topics, then, you will understand that you have a significant disadvantage. There is a reason why over 90% lose after just a few weeks. It is really tricky because even if you're a very smart person, you have an informational disadvantage, okay, and that's at the end what counts. If you're playing poker with someone and the other side basically sees all the cards, guess what? Your chances are very slim of actually winning. And that's simplified what happens in the world's biggest financial market. And obviously that makes you, there we go, look, boom, next stops. 0.7402. So that also makes you more open to all kinds of conspiracy theories, because if such a significant part of our economic system is controlled by a monopoly or oligopoly like here, you can imagine what else is controlled. People have realized that mainstream media is completely controlled and just pushes the narrative, that there is no fair journalism. People have understood it finally. And the list goes on, okay? I mean, it doesn't stop there. It goes on and on and on. Even in science, okay, things are not objective. People need to write papers, people need to publish, people need to find support, they need to find financing for their studies. You understand? So the realities are often different from what people believe is going on. Reality differs from the theory, okay? And I think I made my point here. And this translates into many areas of society. This translates into politics, of course, but people kind of know that. This translates into social media as well. Obviously, people have understood it as well. So we have now big tech and big pharmaceuticals and big finance and big media all, working together to push certain narratives. And I guess this year this became clearer than ever. Anyways, you know what's going on. I stop now. Many things to do. Stay safe, everyone.